Hey guys! Welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about how you can earn money from Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing platform that has over 400 million monthly active users. And the best part is that it's not just for looking at pretty pictures and DIY projects anymore. You can also make money from it. So, let's dive into how you can use Pinterest to make some cash. Step 1. Create a Pinterest business account. The first step is to create a Pinterest business account. This will allow you to access analytics, promote pins, and create ads. You can also claim your website, which will give you access to even more features. Step 2. Optimize your Pinterest profile. Your Pinterest profile should be optimized for maximum visibility. This includes having a professional profile picture, a bio that clearly explains what you do, and boards that are organized and relevant to your niche. Step 3. Create pins that drive traffic to your website. The key to making money on Pinterest is to drive traffic to your website. You can do this by creating visually appealing pins that link back to your website. Make sure your pins have a clear call to action and use keywords in the description to make them more searchable. Step 4. Join group boards. Group boards are a great way to get your pins seen by more people. Look for group boards in your niche and request to join them. Once you're accepted, make sure to share your pins on the board and engage with other users. Step 5. Monetize your Pinterest account. There are several ways to monetize your Pinterest account. One way is to use affiliate marketing. You can promote products on your website and create pins that link back to those products. You'll earn a commission on any sales that come from your referral. Another way to monetize your account is to offer services. If you're a graphic designer, for example, you can create pins that promote your services and link back to your website. You can also create sponsored content and work with brands to promote their products on Pinterest. Conclusion. So there you have it, guys. These are just a few ways that you can earn money from Pinterest. Remember to optimize your profile, create visually appealing pins, join group boards, and monetize your account. With a little bit of time and effort, you can turn your Pinterest account into a money-making machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.